Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. Which play is the earliest extant tragedy of Aeschylus? A. Agamemnon, B. The Persians, C. Seven Against Thebes, D. Supplices. The right answer is option B. The Persians. Next question. In Sophocles' career, how many times did he win first prize at the Dionysia? A. 12 times, B. 18 times, C. 20 times, D. 24 times. The right answer is option B. 18 times. Next question. Aristophanes' lost play, Babylonians, primarily attacked which statesman? A. Cleon, B. Pericles, C. Hyperbolus, D. Nicias. The right answer is option A. Cleon. Next question. Which Sophoclean play is part of his Theban trilogy though written non-sequentially? A. Oedipus Tyrannus, B. Oedipus at Cernunnos, C. Antigone, D. All three. The right answer is option D. All three. Next question. In Aeschylus, Prometheus Bound, which character brings news of future events to Prometheus? A. Hermes, B. Ioc Oceanus, D. Hephaestus. The right answer is option A. Hermes. Next question. Euripides was said to have lived and died in which foreign court? A. Macedonia, B. Sparta, C. Sicily, D. Egypt. The right answer is option A. Macedonia. Next question. Aristophanes' wasps satirizes which Athenian institution? A. Religion, B. Law courts, C. Democracy, D. Army. The right answer is option B. Law courts. Next question. Which Aeschylean trilogy is completely lost? A. Lycurgia, B. Danaid trilogy, C. Oresteia, D. Puscica. The right answer is option A. Lycurgia. Next question. Sophocles introduced which innovation in Greek staging? A. Painted scenery, B. Use of masks, C. Third actor, D. Chorus reduction. The right answer is option C. Third actor. Next question. In which Euripidean play does the hero disguise himself as a woman? A. Ion, B. Helen, C. The Bacchae, D. Heracles. The right answer is option C. The Bacchae, Pentheus. Next question. Aristophanes' last surviving play is? A. Frogs, B. Plutus, C. Assembly Women, D. Peace. The right answer is option B. Plutus. Next question. Aeschylus fought in which famous battles? A. Marathon and Salamis, B. Chaeronea and Plataea, C. Thermopylae and Delium, D. Amphipolis and Pylos. The right answer is option A. Marathon and Salamis. Next question. Sophocles served as a general during which conflict? A. Ionian War, B. Peloponnesian War, C. Persian War, D. Corinthian War. The right answer is option B. Peloponnesian War. Next question. Euripides' Helen is based on which revisionary myth? A. The real Helen was in Egypt, B. Helen was killed before Troy, C. Troy never existed, D. Helen was a goddess. The right answer is option A. The real Helen was in Egypt. Next question. Aristophanes won the first prize with which early play? A. Clouds, B. Acharnians, C. Knights, D. Peace. The right answer is option B. Acharnians. Next question. Aeschylus' Eumenides features which mythic court? A. Areopagus, B. Nyx, C. Lyceum, D. Delphic Council. The right answer is option A. Areopagus. Next question. Which Sophoclean play contains the famous Ode to Man? A. Ajax, B. Antigone, C. Philoctetes, D. Trachiniae. The right answer is option B. Antigone. Next question. Euripides' Ion centers around the temple of Hera at Argos, B. Apollo at Delphi, C. Zeus at Dodona, D. Athena at Athens. The right answer is option B. Apollo at Delphi. Next question. Aristophanes' comedy, Peace, features a protagonist who A. flies to Olympus on a dung beetle, B. rises from a wine barrel, C. hides inside a giant sausage, D. fights a cloud monster. The right answer is option A. flies to Olympus on a dung beetle. Next question. Aeschylus' Seven Against Thebes describes the conflict between A. Polynices and Eteocles, B. Atreus and Thyestes, C. Agamemnon and Aegisthus, D. Theseus and Creon. The right answer is option A. Polynices and Eteocles. Next question. In Sophocles, Philoctetes, who persuades the hero to return to Troy? A. Odysseus, B. Neoptolemus, C. Athena, D. Diomedes. The right answer is option B. Neoptolemus. Next question. Which Euripidean play ends with Dionysus declaring punishment on Thebes? A. Hippolytus, B. The Bacchae, C. Medea, D. Iphigenia in Aulis. The right answer is option B, the Bacche. Question for you. In Lysistrata, the women seize control of A, the Acropolis treasury, B, the Senate house, C, the Agora, D, the city gates. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.